Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be making a custom spread for Cindy, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. So Cindy, thank you so much for being a patron again this month. She requested a Happy in Paris theme spread. So I have Happy in Paris. I'll probably be bringing in maybe a couple other books just to fill in some things. So yeah, this is the book that I'm going to be using for her spread. There's lots of great decorative and functional stickers in here to use from, and there's quotes too. So yeah, I can do a lot with this, so that's good. I'm gonna first start off with some washi. I really like this washi, so, and I only have a little bit of it left. Okay, I can't waste this because I'm hoping I have enough for this spread. We'll start at the bottom, and if I don't have enough, I could always do something else on the top. Okay, so bottom. This is from the Happy Planner, and it's like an old washi roll that came out. I don't even know which pack it was from, but it's old. Okay, I think I do have enough, so but I'm still not gonna waste it. Okay, try to get it very precise. Okay, so washi on the top and bottom, just because I felt like these colors match. Okay, I'm gonna have to waste a little bit off of this because I cut it wrong. But yeah, I felt like the colors went well, or they'll go well with this spread. I like some good stripes, so yeah, I think it'll be good. All right, so let me grab one of these. I think this one will be good. Let's do this week for the sidebar section over here. And then I'm going to cover this up with a sticker, kind of like the C'est La Vie one. Cute. All right, let's get some boxes. I haven't used this in a bit, so I need to remember what's in here. I don't think there's double boxes, but there's a good variety of boxes though. Yeah, let's do some layering. Okay, let's do today, and I kind of want to layer this, like fall in love with today. For the weekend. I wonder if I could fit a girl here. This girl's pretty, and I like that she's wearing pink. Put her there. Cute. And then I have this girl riding a bike. Might as well just use up this page. I need to order another one of these books because I really love this sticker book. It's so pretty. I don't have enough stickers from it left, so I definitely need to grab one for myself. I'll do this, another one for myself actually, because I've only done one spread for myself with this book. We'll put these buildings here. It's just so pretty. I hope they come out with more books like this because they're my favorite. And then I have this little tiny sign. I might as well just use it here in front of the store, and then I'm done with this page. Which these pages, the clear sticker pages, I don't like throwing these away because I like saving them in case I want to put like other stickers on them. They're great for that. Okay, let's move on. Got a good amount of decor here, so that's good. Let's get some more function though around this page. Are there checklists? I can't remember. Don't think there are. Let me add a little. I feel like I have a lot of hello today stuff here. I could get it done. Okay. Write it down. Okay, so there aren't any checklists. That's okay. there's other things I can use. Okay, let me get some boxes down. Let's do to do. And I'll do a blue one down here. And I could use these, like little, they're like the bullet points. Okay, I'll put one here. Let's do a pink one down here. And then another one over here. Okay, that's pretty. Ooh, I have this. I forgot about these. Kind of want to incorporate these in. I want to bring in some of the orange color. Maybe just like scattering them around a little bit. Oops. Okay. There's like a weird sticker. Okay, little piece of sticker that does not want to get off the page. Okay, we'll put a little bit here. That's different. I like that. Okay, cool. Just trying to find new ways to use these stickers. That looks really pretty. I love the colors. So pretty. All right, let's go to the other side, and then I can still add in like some other things. Cause I got like little flower bits I can add here and there. So I can finish the spread off with that kind of stuff. But let's move to the other side. I do like this layering box situation I have there. So, I mean, I could try, or maybe I can do like one of these kind of stickers. Although I should have put it over there, but I don't know. We'll see. That's cute. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go with, let's go with this peachy color and layer another functional. I could do this. Or is that too dark? I feel like it's too dark. Unless I cover them up. I could cover them up. Just have like a little bit of the Eiffel Tower and then I also kind of like these, but not the colors. Well, I guess I could do the blue. Is that too dark? Okay. I don't know why I like this. Enjoy the now. It's a little crooked, but guess I'm gonna go with it. But then I have so much of this color. I should have done a contrasting color. Not bad. Should do this color. Sorry, sticker. Cover that girl's head at least. Oops. Okay. Let's put this here. Oh my gosh. No. Why does it have to be crooked all the time? Okay, I'm ruining this sticker. Let me redo this off camera so I can see it a little bit better. Sorry. I'm gonna finally upgrade my filming situation so that way I'm not filming so far away from myself. It's not difficult anymore for me. Hoping that'll help. So yeah, we'll see if that works, because I don't know. I have to test it out first, because I do like the way that my videos come out, and I don't want to mess up like the quality with like the new lighting and then the new like position and all that. Okay, that's a little bit better. So we'll see what happens. It's too close. We'll do this. We'll do a box with the flower. Get it done. Okay, let's do another box. Let's do to do. Here. Still feel like it's crooked. It's so crooked. Maybe I just can't put stickers down straight. I'm just struggling. It's because I'm trying to cover up the girl. You know what? I'm just gonna cover up one girl. Okay, that looks a lot straighter. That looks better. That was a journey. Okay, let me get this like washi strip or sticker bit here. I'm gonna do a similar effect on this side. Doesn't have to be in the same positions, but kind of similar. I'll do this one here, and I kind of want this one up here. Okay, I like that look. That's cool. So pretty. Okay, I need to add some girls because I haven't added girls over here. So time for some girls. I already got this girl. Oh, this one's cute. Her blue dress. Just add her like she's walking on the flowers. And then I can add a girl here. Let's do kind of this one walking. Okay, and then maybe I can add a little flower pot next to her. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, I need little bookmark or page flag thingies. Okay, so let me get some pink. Pink. And then the purpley color. Oh, don't really have that many places to put it, actually. We'll put it here. Ooh, I actually like it in the middle. Like middle section. It's actually a good spot. Maybe I'll move this one over a bit, because then it doesn't take up too much room on in the box, because there's already not a lot of room. Jeez, come on. There you go. And then let's do okay, that little flower bits here. I'm just gonna add some around the page. Let's do a orange one. Pretty. Okay, and then I need like little headers like that. Let's do important. Okay, can I add a header anywhere else? Maybe we can do one here. Okay, let's do a color. Get it done here. And then I can do one here. Right. This one says priorities. Right here. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. So that's going to be my spread for Cindy. Cindy, thank you so much for being a patron again this month. I hope you like your spread, and I hope you all enjoyed watching me create this spread for Cindy. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.